Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, we have a Dooney and Bourke haul, mini haul. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's actually all shipped directly from Amazon Prime. So, you all, I'm going to start with the smallest one first because I already opened it because I expected it to be in a box. Really, I expected all of these to be in a box, but once I realized what they were, I saw that they put them in a bag. So the first item, y'all, is the large frame Dooney and Bourke coin purse. It says medium, but I believe the description on Amazon was large frame coin purse. And y'all, when I opened it up and looked at it, to me it looked bigger than the other one. When I say other one, I mean originally I have this one with the metal plate, so I was hesitant on getting this one, but I did see some key differences to it, which made me go ahead and get it. Plus, it was on sale for a very good price. I did list this on or post this on my community post to let everyone know that it was on sale. I believe the sale price was $27.30, maybe. But like I said, I already have this print, so I was hesitant on getting it. And this was my original one. But after getting it, I clearly see the differences in it. Of course, the metal plate on this one with the metal closure to the kiss lock, and then the bottom of it compared to this one. This one has leather piping across the bottom. I see a thread here I need to trim off. But clear differences in them. So if you all can see, clear differences. So I kind of felt like, oh, I'm ordering the same coin purse, but there are differences in it. And even though the Greta print is the same, the trim and everything does make it look different. So but when I actually looked at it in the package, I thought it was bigger, but now that I put them together, they are about the same size. I don't know, maybe because this one's stuffed, it looks a little bit bigger, but I think they're the same size. But comment, you all, and let me know which one you prefer. If you prefer the one with the metal plate and the gold frame to it, or the leather frame with the leather patch and leather piping. Yes, so, and I believe you all, I'm not sure when I'm going to post this video, but this one was still available. And it is a Prime delivery, if I recall. I think the delivery has changed now to where it would not be within two days. So it would be a little bit longer for you to receive it. But initially it was Prime to where you could receive it the next day or within 2 days. But the price is still the same for now. I'm not sure how long that will last. And this is just, the interior of it. With the card slots, it has 3 card slots on that side. And I don't know why I didn't just take the stuffing out so you can fully see it. Registration card. So a total of 6 card slots for this, and the opening there for you to put whatever else inside you would like. But that is the large frame coin purse in the Greta print. Definitely a cute and timeless accessory to have. So that's the first item, y'all, and I didn't put the card back in here. All right, y'all, so on to the bigger items, and I did not take the stickers off of the front with my information on it, so we're going to open them up backwards. These were also posted on my community post as well, especially when the price dropped on them. That one didn't want to come out of there. Made me work for it. Alright, y'all, so this is an ostrich bag. And I believe it is, let's see if it's called a hobo. Yes. This is a black ostrich hobo. This is 135 out of 145. It actually has a shipboard date of November 3rd, 2021. So this one has been sitting and waiting for a while. So let's check it out. See how well it has held up for the last 3 years, 3+ years. Looks like that's probably from it being in the packaging. And it looks like it's slowly rubbing off, so I'll keep working with that. It does have feet. Yeah, you can tell it's been sitting a while, but not bad at all for 3 years. And actually what inspired me to get this bag, y'all, was I have it in pink with brown trim that I carried in October. This pocket does go all the way down to right above the leather base of the bag. And y'all, I barely wanted to move out of my pink hobo. It's such a great carry. It's tall for it to be a bucket bag. It's a hobo. It's like a tall bucket bag to me. And most of the time, I did not even zip it up. I kept it open unless I was in the store or something like that. But the way it fits under my arm and the way it carries, even though it's tall, the opening is so wide, it makes it easy to get in and out of it and get to your items. So that's what really made me go ahead and get it in a different color. And I'll show you my pink one that I carried in October as well. I shared that on a short video. I'm not sure if I made it, if I included it in the video outside of a short video. But this is the interior. This is the strap that comes with it. A smooth leather strap. Dooney and Bourke leather patch there. Full zipper on the back. Registration card, slip pocket. And then on the front side of it, it does have 2 slip pockets. And of course, it has the Dooney and Bourke authentication label stitched in the side. And like I said, the strap, it is a smooth leather. So let me show you all that. This is the strap. It matches the trim on the bag. And it has a good shoulder drop. So close-ups of the ostrich. I love the zipper on the front as well because I can easily just drop my keys in there and my phone. So that is the second item, you all. And on to the third. If you all are watching my video and you have not subscribed and you feel like you would want to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Thank you all and welcome back to all of my current subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all, and I hope that you are enjoying my content. All right, y'all, so as I mentioned, this is a very good carry. So I did get it in another color. And this color is caramel. This is 29 of 100. It's also from 2021 as well. And also, if you all can comment, let me know if you are an ostrich fan or not. I like it. It's something different. It has texture to it. But some people don't like ostrich print, so let me know if you're a fan of the ostrich or not, and what you like about it. The same interior setup, of course, the trim and everything matches the exterior, so I don't have to go too much into detail with it. And then, of course, the strap matches the trim as well. So those are the two new ostrich pieces added to the collection. And as I mentioned, let me show you my pink hobo that actually started my liking of this actual silhouette. So these are the three colors together. Can't quite see the black one there, but let's see if we can get them all in frame, kind of, sort of. But yes, y'all, this is and I believe this color is hot pink, if I recall. And I got this one maybe a couple years ago, if I recall. At least about 2 years ago, I believe is when I got this one. But yeah, this one started it. I wore this in October, and I did not want to move out of it. The strap was very comfortable on it. I did add like accessories and everything at that time. So it was a no-brainer to go ahead and add these other two colors to the mix. But these are the three items, you all, that I got from Amazon, shipped from Amazon. Previous orders that I've ordered from Amazon, from Dooney and Bourke, I believe only one of them came in an Amazon Prime box, if I recall correctly. And that was the black all-weather leather satchel. The other items that I ordered from Amazon, they came shipped directly from Dooney and Bourke. So these, I'm guessing, were in like the warehouse with Amazon, and they shipped them out that way. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you all think of the two new ostrich beauties and the large frame corn purse with the leather patch on it. I will, if this is still available when I post this video, I'll include the link in the description for it. Like I said, $27.30 I think is a very good price for it. Originally it was $40, $39.99, and then the price dropped on it to $27.30. So I'm not sure how long that'll last. if it will be until Christmas or after Christmas or what, but I'll include that link, you all. Let me know what you all think. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.